this?
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim.
Question 2. What is the name of this character?
Scimpanzini bananini, wah wah wah.
If you got the first 2 questions right, double tap the screen to lock in. Exam number 3, hold down the comment button and pick a unique emoji. If you pick the shy emoji, you are out. You know when you follow me, my profile picture starts dancing. Exam number 4, what is the first app that shows app when you click share, then more? If it was Spotify, you are out. If you have made it this far, save the video. Okay, final exam. Only 5% of people can get this right. What is the number in this picture?